3 points on the table, it's like a lot of difference for the team, confidence of the team, and for the standing. And it's feel good because last match we lost it. I could say they did not win it, but we lost the 3 points.
How far do you think you can make it in the standings? Because you have a few games in hand as well.
So we are targeting now in the first 4. That is the realistic target we have to achieve. Can be anything. Second, third, fourth can be a realistic target with the team I'm having, and with less number of with more number we playing less number of matches, and most of them are home matches, except 4 are away and 4 here. So that gives us a lot of confidence of going forward.
Actually, we want the foreigner to stop because all the Churchill defenders at all want to fight it, because Indian they're gonna fight physical fight. That's why they change this tactics.
Okay, thank you very much.
Actually, no, it's still we have we played good, we performed good, but we have some lack of concentration, boys. That's why I think we lose the penalty also. We miss the penalties, but we played, I think, good football. Football is a long journey. But I don't think the referees are not fit to be like island teams. I want to say that because I was a player, I know how, but
you're talking about the penalty.
I don't know about the penalties. All the 90 minutes, the decision is not the decision. Because for developing the football, the referees are a bigger role. Because decision is up, something's changed, something is not this thing. Player mentality has to be changed. Then because of that, fighting is coming bigger. Because of decisions. So it's okay, but we need to improve lots to Indian football.